In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to activate my ANZ credit card. So in order to activate your ANZ credit card, you would just have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to go and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in www.anz.com.au/activate credit card. That is going to take you to the official page where you can go ahead and directly activate your card. So if you have a new card, you can also see that they've provided you with the instructions. If you have an online banking app, you could go ahead and log in into your account and click on activate card from the card section. You just have to go ahead and set a PIN, and then you'll have successfully activated your credit card. Now to activate it through a website, you could go to this link and click on activate your card. Here you have been provided with the information on what you should be doing and how you can activate it. If you're using a net banking, then you have to go to the internet banking, log in into your account, go to settings, and then you have to select activate credit card and follow the prompt. So with that, you'll have successfully activated a credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.